Alright, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's the S-Man. Today is Saturday, December the 9th. I'm going out to Henderson. I'm going to go around the bird viewing preserve and, see all the birds, what's going on out there with those guys. Anyway, I'm heading there. I'm going to bring it all to you. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here at the Henderson Bird Viewing Preserve. I'm going to take you guys around, show you everything, check it all out. Alright guys, so we're out here. It's winter time, so I think a lot of the birds are trying to hibernate. We're going to go check it out, see what we can see. There's our first sit-up ducks out in the water. Normally this place is loaded with birds that are migrating from Mexico and going up north. It's the fall winter season, so it's not as many. Alright guys, I'm just sitting on this bench. This is one of the 9 ponds here at the Bird Viewing Preserve. Checking out all the birds.
Create a perfect world in our heads.
Visit all of the ponds over here, guys. I'm going to bring it all to you. This preserve is really awesome, guys. It's like an oasis for all the birds that are migrating from Mexico, heading up north here in the United States. Alright guys, so I'm making my way around the backside of the preserve, surrounded by neighborhoods. It's not many, usually some turtles and things over here, but not today. Not today. Yeah, guys, this is the Henderson bird viewing pond. I like to just come out here and check it all out. It's really beautiful. You know, I'm a nature boy, so obviously I love it. Anyway, I'm gonna bring the rest of it to you guys as I see it. Alright, we're gonna move on, check out the rest of the preserve, and then we'll be getting out of here. Okay guys, so we're gonna go up top, see what we can see from above. Yep, from up top you can see the city of Las Vegas, straight out that way. Alright, we're going to continue our journey through the park. We've covered about 2/3, another third to go. just sitting over here on this bench, enjoying these ponds, enjoying all the birds, the peace, the quiet. It is awesome. Alright guys, this is the final look of the Henderson Bird Viewing Preserve. It's time to get out of here now. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm all done with the Henderson Bird Viewing Preserve. It's amazing, you know, this is a pit stop for all these birds that migrate from Mexico and head up to Canada and Colorado. Anyway, all done, we're getting out of here.